So I think I should continue this this oblique asymptote part more. I should discuss it a little bit more. I will divide it once again. Same thing I will do, because this is kind of I think this is oblique. So let's recap it. If the power more is in the denominator, then always y equal to 0, which is x-axis. If power is same, degree is same, then we will look at the number. Here it is 1, here it is 2, so 1 by 2 is the answer. Suppose if it is just only 3, then 3 will be the answer. Whatever there, just number we will look at in the if the degree is same. If the degree is more on the top, which is improper fraction, it will make the improper fraction. If it is improper, then we have to divide it. Let's divide it to find this will be oblique asymptote for this question. And for this question, how to find it? So we have to divide x square plus 2. Let's divide it, and then x cube here. Although it looks like very silly type, very simple type division, but you'll see this will actually take us somewhere else. It's a simple math, so let's consider it. It looks like there is only one term, so there is nothing to divide. Basically, more term will start coming from here. See it, what does that, what actually I mean by this. So this is x cube, and we have x square here. So what we need with this x square to multiply and to get x cube, we need just only x, because x into x square equal to x cube. So we need x. So it will be x square x cube plus twice x. So it will be x cube plus twice x. Now I have to subtract it, and when I subtract it, then it looks like this. Then this and this cancel out, so I have minus twice x here. Now okay, no, this is minus twice x here. So if it is minus, oh my god, this is minus twice x here I have. So as I have minus twice x, so and you can see the power here is less. Power in this case, power is less, and as power is less than this, so we have to stop the calculation here. Then the oblique asymptote of this question, let me change the marker. So oblique asymptote for this question is y equals to this x. That is the oblique asymptote for this question. So that will be the oblique asymptote for this question. I think let's try to do some more maths from the oblique asymptote part, so that you can see the calculation in some more rigorous way. So let me find some bigger maths where we have a lot of things to do. So let's try to do this one. Okay, let me make a math, I think, where there will be some, this will not match with the book, I'm just making it now. So let's say I have some, tell me something, what can I write? Suppose I write here, I'm writing here, let's say x cube, then I am writing here, let's say 2x to the power 4, and then minus what, 3x, whatever comes to my mind, I'm just writing it like that way, minus or plus 1. Just some, you can just continue writing it, but it will not make any difference, because main difference will be made by this. Then just the remaining thing is just continuation of the calculation, nothing else. So this will be, first of all, this will be oblique asymptote, because this is power 4, this is power 3. So definitely it will be oblique asymptote, because this is improper fraction. If the power is more on the top, then it is improper fraction, and for improper fraction we have oblique asymptote. Okay, so let's start dividing it. So it will be x cube plus 1, then divided, we have to divide it, divide this term. So first what we need, okay, I can write the answer here, but I have my space, so I'll write the answer there. This one, I'll write the answer here, answer from the calculation, I'll write it there. So let's do it in some red color. So So first what I need to multiply with the x cube to get 2x to the power 4. What I need to multiply with this x cube? I mean, what are the number that I need to multiply with the x cube so that my answer is 2x to the power 4? You see, first of all, there is one number short here. There is 2 here. That means I have to multiply this number by 2 first to get this 2. We have to multiply by 2. Then I need another x. We need another x. So you see it. Okay, see it. 2 twice x into x cube equals to 2x to the power 4. 2 into, so 2 will come here, and x cube into x equals to x to the power 4. This is how we get it. So this is 2x to the power 4. Now I have to multiply twice x and 1. Then I get twice x and 1 equals to plus twice x. Then we have to do some subtraction math. So if I do the subtraction, this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this and this cancel out. Then we will get minus 5x here. As the power is less here, so we do not have to do any more calculation. So we will stop here, and the oblique asymptote for this question will be y equals to twice x. Y equals to twice x is the oblique asymptote for this question. Now I think I can just change or modify this question a little bit and try to get some more engaging calculation. I mean, where there I will need more calculations to do. Suppose I change this same question. Suppose let's change it a little bit. Now I can do it in two ways. One, I can write here, okay. I mean, if we change the question, then basically calculation will change and answer will be different in that case. Let's try it. Suppose the question is like this: 2x to the power 4, then 3 or some number. You can write here 3 or 2. Okay, 3 as a 3x squared. Suppose 3x squared. Suppose this is the question. And if you are interested, let's give another some variable here. You can continue giving, and the question is now different, and then answer will be a bit different also. Let's check what type of answer is coming here. So let's divide it to x to the power 4 minus 3x squared divided by x cube plus x. So again I will write the answer here. Answer you can write actually here. The conventional method is there. So what I need first of all to multiply with this x cube to get 2x to the power 4. Definitely I need twice x. So twice into x cube equals to 2x to the power 4. Then x into twice x equals to what? X into twice x equals to what? Plus 2x squared. Plus 2x squared. Plus 2x squared. We have a situation here. So this is minus, so minus minus plus, and this will become minus 5x squared, and this is also power is less here, so we have to stop here, and the answer comes the same. And still oblique asymptote for this question is still it is y equals to twice x, because this power is less, so we cannot do any more calculation. Let's write here some. Let's make it a bit more engaged. I can give here 3, then answer will be a bit different. Let's keep that 3. I'm just doing some experimentation now, like what happens when you change it. Suppose your question is different in different maths, then how you will change it. I can actually give some number here also. Both will make similar effect. If I give here x squared, it will make similar effect. So I mean, sometimes in the class also, sometimes I say do the experimentation with maths, then you will see the different behavior of maths. So x cube behavior of maths, different behavior of maths. By this I mean you will see you can play with the math. That's the interesting thing. So okay, all right. Okay, let's change this number also now, because I think you are bored with some number, constant number always. So let's write here 3. So if I write 3, then what happens here? Then what is the number I have to multiply with this x cube to get 3x to the power 4? We need what? 3x, right? We need 3x. I think I can use now another color so that it looks you get the variation. So 3x I have to multiply. So 3x into x cube equal to, oh my god, I have to go to some place. Okay, 3x to the power 4. I have to go to the university actually because we have some open house program today. So I have some responsibility there also. What time is it? Okay, I have half an hour. No problem. So 3x into x cube equals to 3x to the power 4. Then 3x into x equals to plus 3x squared, because this is plus, so that's why plus. Now subtract it. If I subtract, then it becomes this, this and this cancel out. Now this minus 3x cube will remain, then plus 3x square. I am writing it in order because this is more power, this is less power, so this is first, then this is later. Now you see I have minus 3x cube here and this is x cube here. So what I need to multiply with this x cube so that I get this minus 3x cube, I need minus 3 into x cube equals to minus 3x cube, minus 3 into x equals to minus 3x. Again I can to minus it I have to change the sign in the downside, so this and this cancel out. Then I have 3x squared plus 3x. Now we have to stop here because this is leading power is x cube, this one's leading power is x squared, this is less. If this power is less, then we will stop there. Then we get the oblique asymptote for this question is y equals to this one, 3x minus 3, or you can write 3 common, then x minus 1. That is the oblique asymptote for this question. So you see, let's recap this whole thing what I said about this. So this whole thing is just to find out the horizontal and oblique asymptote. To find out the horizontal asymptote, first of all, horizontal and oblique asymptote, first of all we have to look at the given question, and we have to look at the variable, power of the variable. If the power of the variable is more in the downside in the denominator, then always y equal to 0. Why y equals to 0? There is nice explanation for that. I hope we will discuss it in some other time. Then if the power is same, we will just look at the coefficient. We will just put the coefficient, then that is the answer. If the power is more in the top, then we have to do the division math, the division math, then we will get the answer. Thank you all, thank you very much. I hope it works for you. Bye bye.